Hey guys, Anime here, and welcome to another episode of Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery. Now, I didn't record any videos for this last week because it hurt to talk last week. You see, I bit the inside of my lip at some point, like really badly. I wound up with a big sore on the inside of it, and every time I talked, it hurt. So I really could not do it. Also, add on to the fact that I was finally finishing up the banana cake episode. If you guys are still around waiting for that, thank you. It should I'm recording this video and the next video on December 2:40 Sunday, 2:40 a.m. on Sunday, December 6th. So that video has already come out. At this point because I'm uploading it this Tuesday. Well, the Tuesday of this recording. Anyway, let's get started to the herbicide potion. Herbicide. I know it's pronounced herbicide, but I always call it herbicide. Well, I know I pronounce herb, but I pronounce it herb. I don't know why. I'm just like that, kind of like how I pronounce Pello. Yes, I pronounce it with an E sound, even though there's no E in Pello. It pisses my sister off to no end, I swear. It's hilarious. But anyway, let's get started and see what we gotta do here. Even though it's pretty straightforward. Okay. Hello, Snape. I just wanted to apologize again for dueling on school grounds, Professor Snape. The only thing I care less about than you is your apology, W. Sit down. Have you told anyone about what Snape and Filch said in the corridor? Did I tell anyone? Oh, crap. Yeah. I think didn't I tell my friend? I forgot her name already. Wow. Yeah. I don't remember if I told anyone. Did I tell anyone? You guys can't answer this. Rowan. You are such an idiot. Thankfully, your little friend is useless and won't ruin my chances of getting inside of that room. Why are you after the cursed vaults? It's none of your business. It is my business because my brother was searching for the cursed vaults, and he failed because you come from a family of failures, and yet I still bested you in a duel, bitch. Now shut up and pretend to study before Snape hears us talking about the vaults. God, you're a bitch. Alright, let's start making a herbicide potion. Today you will learn to brew the herbicide potion. Lesson starts. Today we will create a potent herbicide. Do not let one drop find its way to the greenhouse. So just watch closely. Okay. Use your eyebrows. Let's go with diamonds. I need a boost One mistake brewing herbicide potion could have lasting consequences. Stay focused. You don't look happy that I'm actually doing this. Okay. Prepare to crush lionfish spine. For today's lesson, you will need to crush lionfish spines with a mortar and pestle. Get to work. I'll get the feeds. That way I don't have to look for it either. You don't have to look for it. God, I'm about to sneeze. I won't be good here. Oh, it's a drawing one. I need to figure out how to boost up the courage. Sweet. Prepare to add the flobberworm mucus. Add your ingredients like seeds in the soil, but don't touch the soil. All right. Go with the feed bags. I need to add ingredients to my herbicide potion. All right. I'm sorry, my character avatar just looks extremely uncomfortable right now. Prepare to stir. Even a task so simple as stirring a cauldron requires perfect technique. I will observe your attempt. Okay. I need to stir my... I hope I'm doing this right. So much easier of a stylist. Again, she looks uncomfortable. Prepare to finish potion. Finish your potion quickly. I will not tolerate laziness. Alright. Okay. Oh, sweet. Again, I'll go for the feed. I mean, looking for the food really isn't all that hard. I just really don't want to do it. Herbicide potion is going to be the best. I just have to finish it. Okay. Sweet. Please stop making that face. You seriously do not want to be there, do you? Right. Now, I find it odd that there only seems to be 2 classes per chapter. I should probably check the House Cup at some point. I doubt we're winning, but still, I should probably do that. You should stir it 2 more times. Excuse me? Professor Snape said to stir the potion 7 times. Clockwise, you only stirred it 5 times. You don't know what you're talking about. Shockingly, in this solitary existence, W is correct. Even a reckless, incompetent fool like you can become a middling witch by following instructions, W. 10 points to Hufflepuff. Thank you, Professor Snape. Dismissed. Cool. Alright, Chapter 8. What is the recording at? It's at 11 minutes. So anyway, with that, in a few seconds I will be recording again, but with that, if you enjoy, anyway, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you want to comment. If you want to subscribe. Anyway, until next time, see ya. Bye.